This is a fully 3D printed Stirling engine with a 2-level gear system. Length of the model is about 250 mm. Height of the model is more than a feet long. Major features of the model includes rack and pinion based steering mechanism. The 2-level gear system includes 1:50 gear ratio, which moves the model forward, and 1:230 gear ratio, which moves the model backwards. For both forward and backward moving gear systems, I have used a gear compounding method. This is very useful to reduce speed and increase torque. The motion direction of the model is decided by interlocking this slider with one of these gears. This is the displacer cylinder and displacer piston. This is the power piston. The 90-degree shift between these two is achieved by using a beam mechanism. It's a complete leak-proof system. This is the hot junction. This is the cold junction. The displacer piston is a CNC machine aluminum piston. I have used a total of 12 degreased ball bearings for this model.